people? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs, and welcome back to a car that is very, very close to my heart. My E92 M3 safety car build, thanks to our partners at Phoenix and all the other companies who are involved. Now, I must say, the supercharger has been removed from the vehicle. The car is now bone stock, running a stock file. The only modification it's got is the Valvetronic full titanium exhaust quad resonated setup. Now, here's the thing. The new generation of system, we haven't done a lot of E9x content. The amount that we've improved our product line over the past 3 years is really, really boundless. It's a big improvement for us, always learning every day how we can give you guys the best products. You know, the E9x community, there are a lot of options out there for exhaust, and this is quite an expensive setup. Might not be for everybody, but if you want the ultimate experience in terms of sound quality, fitment, and how the product is unboxed, packaged, and sold to you by enthusiasts who love the product and love the car as much as you do, then this is the setup for you. Now, configuration-wise, we've got a free flow section up front, resonated. In the midsection, there's 2 more resonators, so it's a quad resonated setup, Valvetronic, valved axle back as well. This is the setup of the moment. I'm really, really proud of all the developments we've done. Now, the E9x M3 product was something that we had out, one of our first products, and think about how much you've changed in 3 years and think about how much Valvetronic has changed in 3 years. Our objective of offering the best experience is something that we're improving on every single day. So excited to get these new generation of systems out to enthusiasts around the world, whether stainless steel or titanium like this configuration. I'm gonna stop talking, let's get to the sound. Folks, in the E92, we're getting it warmed up right now. This car, as all E9Xs, are very susceptible to oil temps, so we make sure we warm up those rod bearings nice and slowly. You might hear as well, these brakes are absolutely outrageously loud. It's because it has PFC01 pads, which are basically race pads, which I drive around on the street in, and they just make so much noise, but I gotta have all the braking performance necessary, especially when I'm enjoying all the sound characteristics of this incredible exhaust. Right now, I'm driving with the valves closed. We're exiting the Walmart parking lot, and the good thing is, although this car is very flashy, never know the car is modified. You get some nice induction noise, which is great, but there's no compromises. You roll around, valves closed. These cars are known for being extremely loud and extremely bassy, but with the Valvetronic setup, the way we've configured this setup, we've worked extremely hard with our engineering and developments to build this setup that's going to give you clean, smooth, exotic F1 sound and literally no rasp. That's the biggest thing for us, is offering that best experience. All right, we've got some oil temperature now, still warming it up, but the nice thing about this setup, we're at 2,500 RPMs. You get really aggressive sound behind you. It's exciting, dramatic, but there's no drone in the car. All you get inside the car is just bass and excitement, which is really the right way to do the exhaust setup. Now, we know that there's lots of options out there. There's a bunch of great options. There's very cheap options. And the Valvetronic setup is not for everybody. It's quite expensive compared to some of the contemporaries out there. But we've engineered this setup to provide the ultimate sound gains and the most flexible experience so that you can drive the car hard and enjoy it with the valves closed, and also have really aggressive, exciting sound when the valves are open. A non-compromised setup, upgraded valve hardware configurations. The remote fits perfectly in here, and contrary to many people's beliefs of this remote, it's actually a metal printed remote, 3D printed, so it's really heavy in your hand. People can copy our design all they want, but it's about getting the materials right. Is that a man? That's a person. With a lawnmower, nice. Hell yeah, brother. Hear the squeaky brakes?